Hey you guys, in today's video I am going to swatch all of the shades from the new Lakme Absolute Plush Matte Lip Crayons. Starting off with this nude. It's called Roasted Almond. It's a beautiful warm soft brown and I really love the shade. This one is a very light nude. It's called Iced Mocha and it's very similar to my actual lip color. And then we have Peach Fizz. It's not really peachy, it's more of pinky nude, a very pretty shade. I think this looks really nice on me. Then we have this one called Foxy Brown, which is a very rustic orange sort of a brown. Then we have Fierce Red. It's a very pretty pink toned red. Next, we have this beautiful pink shade called Pink Party. It's so pretty. I love this color. Up next, we have Cherry Pop, which is again a pink toned red. It could look a bit pink, but once you apply it, it does look red. Next, we have Raspberry Shock, which is a beautiful bright fuchsia pink. And this is what it looks like. I think it looks really nice. Okay, next we have this mauvey pink called Spring Rose. It has a lot of purple undertones to it. Again, a beautiful everyday shade. Then we have Runway Red. Lots of reds in this range. This is a classic red. And I think this one is my favorite.